at all this.
So,
This is
but
very...
Magnolia State Elevators first visit, so let's show them what we've got so far.
I'll be the judge of this one. Whether this is... Oh, there you go.
I've already done.
The entrance. I like that sign. That's very interesting. Very good. Thank you, sir. Age before beauty. Oh. Only interesting. Wow, okay.
Look at this.
US89, actually. 1960s. Get a snapshot of that. Ooh, okay then. This is,
Right.
we'll go up to 5.
Look at that old Dover. Look at this from the motor. It's a little bouncy from the way out.
I like that bell.
Dewhurst on the outside, all the way down. I stopped at every floor.
Really?
I don't know why they didn't replace the inside, but I'm not complaining. Capacity 2,500 pounds. Again, let's get a view of this COP.
It's a very good balance between fixtures, I'll say that much.
Cab view. Take for
There's
one more
your
ride.
indicator.
Staying on the carpet right under Magnolia State Elevators.
Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. I'm kidding. Whoever would sing this carpet, this beautiful thing, I don't know
thing
who would
was
do such a
working.
thing.
The other one was working.
Yeah.
One was here, so.
I love those birds. Awesome. This is by far a nice variation of Dover traditional. This is their first installment. Very nice motor.
It's musical.
It's a roaring
See on the
motor.
camera, it's a little bit bouncy.
Age. This thing has aged very well. Same capacity plate as the Emmons building. I just realized that.
If you want to hop out, you can see
Yeah,
this.
let's take a look at this.
You'll notice this is the same company owns a lot of these buildings around here. They have the same little braille on the inside.
It's not really a braille either. Here's your call station.
They were office building, but it's still older.
Vanity style indicators. I'll let you hit one.
One.
Again, let's get another cab view of this. Seems like this
Fluorescent
may have
lights.
been redone somewhat on the interior.
No, we're stopping
Here
right
at
now.
full.
Oops, sorry. That's one of the AC units. You can actually hear it outside. It sounds like
Wow. Kind of nice.
I heard it on the outside when I was walking up the other day. But it was locked. It was the weekend when we were here. I was like, oh, that's a sign.
Yeah, I remember hearing that too. It sounded very familiar, kind of. But then again, look at this office building. As you can see, very 1960s.
Working.
This is a
We'll
1960s
get both bells
style.
and shine.
Yeah. Actually, let me get a side shot. Very nice. Oh, there we go. I like that bell.
On the other one.
I love that bell.
It would be nice without the HVAC buzz, but
Oh well. It's a 1960s though. This one seems smaller for some reason, but I don't know why.
same size.
Same size. It really smells like hydraulic fluid in here.
Over logo, the old black and red one.
These are 1960s.
Don't see that one too often.
I'll tell you, this is their first rendition of their own fixtures, Dover traditional. So you hear the other one going up, that roaring motor. Again, let's take a look at this. Even though it does use a GAL door compartment,
One of the few places I know that
Still-
actually keeps it in there.
and they actually trust people. That indicator, wow.
There's a machine room, I think it's in there. Yeah, I think this one's on pickup, or whatever you call it.
Yeah, pick up.
So,
Let's take one quick look at this lobby. There's your directory over there. I mean, welcome to the 1960s. I mean, seriously. Wow. It's a beauty. So let's take one last look. I'm actually going to get and that's it.